I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing Aliskiren, which is a renin inhibitor used to treat hypertension. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video. So be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on renin inhibitors so you can follow along with me. Aliskiren, brand name Tecturna, is a renin inhibitor, which is one of several drug classes that are used to treat hypertension by blocking key parts of the renin angiotensin aldosterone system, or RAAS. Let's do a quick review on how the system works. First, renin is released by the kidneys in response to a decrease in renal blood flow, indicating low blood pressure. Next, renin activates angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. After that, ACE, which stands for angiotensin converting enzyme, converts angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. And angiotensin 2 does a number of things. It causes vasoconstriction of the blood vessels, it causes water and sodium to be reabsorbed at the kidneys, and it causes the release of aldosterone from the adrenal cortex. This in turn causes more water and sodium to be reabsorbed and potassium to be excreted at the kidneys. So the ultimate effect of RAAS is to increase the blood pressure through vasoconstriction and the retention of water and sodium. As I mentioned earlier, Aliskiren is used to treat hypertension by inhibiting renin, which is the first part of RAAS. By inhibiting renin, this prevents the activation of angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1 and prevents all of the downstream effects of RAAS, including vasoconstriction and the reabsorption of water and sodium, which results in vasodilation and the excretion of water and sodium, which brings down the blood pressure. Our cool chicken hint to help you remember this medication's mode of action is to look at the drug name Aliskiren, which kind of looks like Alice and Karen. So you can think Alice and Karen are ganging up to stop Angie, which is angiotensinogen. The most common side effect of Aliskiren is gastrointestinal upset, such as abdominal pain and diarrhea. Another possible side effect is hypotension. And just as a tip for nursing school, hypotension is going to be a possible adverse effect for all of our antihypertensive medications. This is because when we are trying to bring down a patient's blood pressure, sometimes it can go too low. Another possible side effect of this medication is hyperkalemia. This may occur because normally with RAAS, the release of aldosterone causes the excretion of potassium. But since we are blocking the effects of RAAS, this leads to the retention of potassium, which can cause elevated levels of this electrolyte. It's also important to note that a rare but serious side effect of Aliskiren is angioedema, which causes swelling of the face, lips, tongue, and throat. And then finally, this medication has a black box warning for fetal toxicity. Therefore, it is contraindicated during pregnancy. In terms of nursing care, we should monitor our patient's blood pressure throughout therapy. In addition, we should check our patient's potassium levels periodically due to the risk for hyperkalemia. And because this medication can cause hypotension, we should advise our patients to change positions slowly. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1, Aliskiren blocks blank, which prevents angiotensinogen from being activated. The answer is renin. Question number 2, which of the following are common side effects of Aliskiren? Select all that apply. A, hypertension. B, hypotension. C, hyperkalemia. D, hypokalemia. And E, diarrhea. The answers are B, C, and E. And question number 3, what black box warning is associated with Aliskiren? The answer is fetal toxicity, which is why this medication is contraindicated during pregnancy. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care and good luck with studying. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.